Hello everyone, Nathan B Sharp Pedersen, back again from a few years ago. It's my new bike. Yeah, he's back! Yeah! Sorry. I got fans. Yeah, this is my new bike, my Scott OTG 10. Don't know what that means. Yeah, so where do I start? I start from the front, that's the best place to start. They are my 23C. I don't know what make they are. I'll show you.
Kenda.
They're straight from Japan. With on a set of Alex rims. I don't know who Alex is, but those rims. And my VP-A61 ACM headset. Yeah. It's my Scott frame. You can see right there. Yeah, nice shade of green. My seat. That's the seat here. Solid. Grand. Compy. Don't know what that is either. It's pretty shit though, not gonna lie. Solid. Listen to it. Yep, it is a bongo drum. Yeah, that's just a standard Scott seat shit. And on the rear, got another Alex rim. Right there. Woo. On a 28C tyre. That's a... yeah, clearance. I don't know what make tyre that is either. And that's my snazzy chain. I can't remember the name of it.
KLC cool chain.
Yeah, because it's cool. And these are my Losco shit standard crank and shiz. It's got, I don't know what bottom brackets in it, but it's doing the job. These are my Odyssey twist pedals on some green straps. Other straps are available, other colours. Yeah. Oh, it's large as well.
It's a large frame.
No, my cock.
Handlebars?
Handlebars are just standard drop down. But don't try and add me on Facebook. Actually, do add me on Facebook. I've changed my name on Facebook because too many weirdos. To Lucas James. That's what I'm under now. That's LUCKAS and James. I'm not going to spell that. But yeah, add me. Get on a brand new bike, fam. Head all the way.